Hello students, hope all of you are fine. Today I am here with another video on chapter 9 Heredity, and today we are going to discuss about the sex determination in human. So dear children, we know that there are 46 chromosomes in human beings. So number of chromosome present in human being is 46. That is 23 pair of chromosomes are present. Out of that 22 pairs are autosomes and one pair of the chromosomes are called the sex chromosomes. That is XX in case of the female and XY in case of the male. So if we see the genotype of human female, then the genotype of human female is 44 plus XX, that is 44 autosomes, and 2 sex chromosomes that are present in female are XX. Similarly, in case of human male, the genotype is 44 plus XY. Now, during gamete formation, that is meiosis division take place. So in meiosis, the female will produce the gamete, the 22 plus X, 22 plus X. Since the meiosis is called reduction division, so in this half number of chromosomes will be present in the female. And in case of the male, number of chromosomes that are present is the 22 plus X or 22 plus Y, that is half number of the chromosomes. So female produce same type of gametes, that is 22 plus X only. Both the gametes produced in the female will be having X chromosomes only, and males are producing two types of gametes, that is one with the X and the other with the Y chromosome. So we can say that male is responsible for the determination of the sex and not female. Earlier there were the misconceptions that female is not able to give birth to the baby boy, so second marriages or remarriage of the male was done, but actually male is responsible for producing the male genotype, not the female is responsible for production of the son. So here we can say, if the gamete, the gamete of the male fuse with the female, X, if Y fuses with the X of the female, then the genotype that is formed, here you can say 22 plus X, 22 is there, so you can ignore this also. X plus X is XX and X plus Y is XY. XX will be XX and X plus Y will be XY. So in this case, the male can produce the male genotype, that means 50% girl child can be there and 50% boys can be produced to a parent. That means here we can represent the crossing of the male and female in another manner also, that you can see. Now here you can see, this is also the mode of representing the sex determination. So if female is producing two type of gametes, you can say XX is produced, and a male is producing two type of gametes, X and Y. Female is producing identical gametes, and male is producing the different gametes. So when the X of the female fuse with the X of the male, there will be female, and if X of the male female fuse with the Y of the male, then it will be XY, that is boy will be produced. Now another also you can see, this X, if it fuse with the X, there will be girl child, and if this X fuse with the Y, then there will be production of the boy child. So since male produce two type of gametes, males are responsible for the sex determination and not the females. So in animals, there are certain animals in which the chromosomes are not responsible for the sex determination. The temperature can alter their sex, and in some cases the female also determine the sex. For example, in birds, birds have two different type of chromosomes, and the male has similar type of the chromosomes. Okay, so in them the female determine the sex. In human being, male determine the sex.